I am going to break into the airplane. Yes, I'm in the airplane.
Hey you, Tezz. What are you doing in the airplane?
Oh crap.
That's it. I'm calling your parents.
No.
Hello Tezz's parents. Do you know what your daughter Tezz did? She just broke into the airplane at the airport. Please ground her for me. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye. Oh my goodness. Tezz, how dare you break into the airplane? You know that you're not allowed to do that at all. That's it. You're grounded for 23 weeks.
Go upstairs to your room now. Wow.